Welcome to this introduction to the footing module in StruCalc. This module allows you to design one of four types of footings: square, rectangular, round, and continuous footings. You will start by selecting the first icon in the toolbar. I'll do a quick walk through the most commonly used footing application, which is the square footing option. In most applications, you typically track the loads from the beams and columns that are bearing on the footing that you are designing. You enter the calculated live load and dead load in the first two input boxes. The next 5 input boxes are the default values that are set in StruCalc that you can modify at any time. Once you enter the column width and breadth, you can quickly size the footing by trial and error. There is also a load calculator where you can input the approximate tributary areas of the loads being supported by the footing to also quickly determine the design requirements. You can also design a rectangular footing in much the same way as for square footings. This application is used where space constraints require you to locate a footing in a limited area. The third option in the footing module is one for continuous footing design. You can enter the footing loads from hand-calculated values that you have determined, or you can use the load calculator, which is activated with this checkbox. Simply put in the live loads and dead loads along with the tributary widths for the roof framing, and up to 2 floor levels, along with the wall dead loads, and you can quickly design the required footing. Once this information is entered, you quickly determine the footing information by trial and error. The last footing option in this module is for the design of round footings. This option is good for use in situations where bearing loads are relatively low, such as a structure with post and beam construction. There is the option for designing a plain or unreinforced footing, which is typical for round footings. This plain concrete option is also available for square, rectangular, and continuous footings. That concludes our quick review of the footing module. There is a more in-depth video review available with the program. Thank you for watching this footing design tutorial.